Welcome back. In the last video I showed you how we use the musical alphabet in songs. In this video I'll go a bit deeper into it with you to how you create musical sentences and even questions and answers. So the musical alphabet, as we saw, we have 7 different steps. Each one has a number according to how far away from home it is. So if I do a sentence like this, 1, 2, 4, 3, for example, I went from home away to 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, I came back home. Let's say I do a stronger question. 1, 3, 4, 5, I went higher up and away from home, and I come back down with 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on. That's how we create the music questions and answers. It's simply going away from the home note or coming back to it. And in every song in the world will have to come back to the home note, because as long as you don't feel at home. And that's how we can have musical conversations. Of course, not every song will use precise questions and answers. Sometimes you will have more elaborate statements. Let's go like 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. I just gave you a whole statement which didn't have a specific question or answer, it was just an elaborate statement. But again, it's using the tension which is contained in the alphabet of music, which keeps going back and away and back to home. And that is how we create musical sentences.